All right, today I'm going to show you how to connect a DSLR camera to our application. The camera I'm using for this demo is a Canon EOS 750D. It's a fairly old model, so it doesn't support USB-C. Instead, it uses a USB mini connection. Because of that, if your camera doesn't natively support USB-C like the one in the video, you'll need a USB-C to USB mini cable. If your camera does support USB-C, then you can simply use a standard USB-C cable and connect it directly to your device. Once you have the correct cable, connect one end to your camera and the other end to your device. In this tutorial, I'm using a 13-inch iPad. After the camera and device are connected, you're basically good to go. Just make sure the cable connection stays firm throughout your session, otherwise you may lose connection while running your event. Now, simply tap the Start Event button. The device will automatically detect the external camera and use it as the main camera source. And that's it. You can start taking photos and they'll now be captured directly through the external camera.